Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Whosoever is new to my channel, hi, my name is Sunandini, and in today's video I'm cutting my hair because I'm not in a mood to give a full haircut, so I thought to give it by my own. So yes, I will see how it will be turned out, and I'm just cutting my flicks, that's it. So we'll see कैसा ये look change होता है, and yes, let's start the video. Whosoever is new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I will be posting the new video, you will be get notified. So मैंने अपना head wash कर लिया है and you can see कितने ज़्यादा curly हो चुके हैं. So yes, we'll do the partition first of all. Okay? Partition करने के बाद decide कि मुझे कितने section में hair cut करना है. I will take this section from this side and same with this. Let me tie the rest section at the back. I will go with the technique जो मैंने YouTube पर देखा है. So I will take this section first of all, and I'm using this tiny scissor. So hold the section and then twist it. Let's wait for the result. मैंने गलत नहीं किया ना. So I have to take the middle section now and cut it. Doing the same technique, flip it. Again, take the half section, like from the front. Oh, so cute. So it's quite uneven as of now, so I'm giving some even looks. I have to cut some sections from here as well. Let's set it with blow dryer and straightener. So let's start.
A few moments later.
So this is the exact look. Just need a fluffiness and ये same वैसा ही है जैसा मुझे चाहिए था. And I'm very happy with the decision. I believe you also like this haircut. So yeah, that's it about today's video. I love this experiment, and if you also do love this experiment, so please do mention that in my comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and share this video to your friends and family. And we will meet on my next video. Till then, stay healthy and eat healthy. Bye bye.